applying your line spacing, you highlight the text. Let's just use this. You click here, you could see 1.5. You can see that the changes. 2, 1.5, this 2.5, you can see 3. So any one that you choose, let's use 1.5, you click. You can see how this works. So when you add space, it creates space here, but when you remove it, it normalizes your document, as you can see. Now you could also go through here, you click this place at the tab. Now you can see line spacing double at least. So here you can say double, that is 2, this is 2. You go back there, you could also see that alignment, left to right justify, that is where they are. Special hanging, so first line, that is increase indent, you use it. So you can see that's old form of paragraphing, so you could always